So we have top dropshipping products to sell in the kitchen and dining niche. We have insulated mugs, air fryers, electric kettles, portable blenders, coffee pots, latte mixers, peppermint tea, electric kitchen scale, compostable paper plates, water filters, stainless steel tumblers, reusable water bottles, silicone utensils. A lot of I would say one-time use products, which is surprise for me, like the plates, like the cutlery, utensils, right? It's very, very interesting. People buy a lot of this stuff. We have shaker bottles for protein shakes, leak-proof bento-style kids lunch boxes. Very, very interesting, guys. All these, some of them are much bigger, like air fryers, right? Maybe this electric kitchen scale might be a little chunky as well, depending of the size. But there are things that people are interested in, most likely will be buying. This is why you want to make sure that you study this particular niche and these highlighted products, okay? This is internal info from Shopify, so obviously makes a lot of sense. The next niche looks like it's again bouncing off the recent lows is the baby niche. I don't know nothing about this niche, so it will be completely new information for me as well. If you look at over here, the market is essentially expected to grow to over $330 billion by 2029.